Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing developments in Canon's APS-C lineup, the Canon EOS R9. With fresh leaks and powerful rumored specs, the R9 might just disrupt Canon's mirrorless game in a way we haven't seen since the release of the original EOS R7. Could this be the compact mirrorless camera that finally makes even full-frame loyalists take notice? Or is it another flashy spec sheet with compromises underneath? In this in-depth breakdown, we'll go through everything we know so far, exploring why the Canon EOS R9 could surpass the EOS R7, the challenges it may face, and what it really means for content creators, photographers, and filmmakers in 2025. Canon EOS R9 rumors, a new era for APS-C. Let's start with the heart of the camera, the sensor. According to the most reliable leaks, the Canon EOS R9 is expected to feature a 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, similar in resolution to the EOS R7, but reportedly enhanced for better dynamic range and low-light handling. This resolution positions the R9 to go head-to-head with even some full-frame rivals, especially for those who need detail-heavy images, flexibility in cropping, and fast image delivery for sports or wildlife. Canon seems to be reframing the narrative. APS-C is no longer of budget-only format. With the EOS R9, Canon is signaling that APS-C mirrorless systems are evolving into pro-grade tools for hybrid shooters, aimed at professionals, loved by enthusiasts. Unlike its predecessor, the EOS R9 isn't just an enthusiast camera, it's being pitched as a professional tool in a smaller package. For photographers shooting wildlife, fast action, or even street photography, the R9's compact build and telephoto reach can be huge advantages. The rumored 32.5 MP sensor allows for generous cropping while maintaining sharpness, making it ideal for distant subjects or fast-paced environments. Canon's strategy here is clear: offer something more powerful than the R7, but not quite a full frame. Think of it as the sweet spot for creators who need speed and detail, without the size and weight of full-frame gear. 8K video and high frame rate 4K, a filmmaker's dream. One of the most jaw-dropping specs rumored for the Canon EOS R9 is its 8K video capability at 30 frames per second. Yes, 8K on an APS-C mirrorless body. This feature was once exclusive to top-tier cinema equipment and a few high-end full-frame cameras like the Canon R5. But Canon seems to be democratizing 8K, making it accessible for indie filmmakers, YouTubers, and professional videographers who want high-resolution footage in a compact form factor. What's more exciting? The R9 is also rumored to support 4K at 120 frames per second, which is a massive boost for those who rely on slow-motion video for storytelling, product shoots, or creative B-roll. For content creators producing vlogs, wedding films, interviews, or YouTube documentaries, this makes the R9 a compelling all-in-one device. Dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with AI intelligence. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus system has always been among the best in the business. The R9 is rumored to ship with an AI-enhanced version of the dual-pixel CMOS AF2, which reportedly includes machine learning algorithms that go beyond simple face or eye detection. Imagine your camera predicting motion, maintaining precise focus on a moving cyclist in a busy street, or tracking a bird through trees without losing subject lock. That's the kind of promise Canon is aiming for. If this system delivers as rumored, the R9 might be Canon's smartest APS-C autofocus system to date. 20 fps burst rate, built for speed. Let's talk speed. The Canon EOS R9 is expected to achieve 20 frames per second continuous shooting, possibly through an electronic shutter. This makes it a top choice for sports photography, fast-action wildlife, or photojournalism, where capturing the perfect split-second moment matters. Add to that an improved buffer system and a more robust image processor, and you've got a machine that can handle hundreds of raw frames without choking, perfect for those high-pressure shooting environments. Thermals, file management, and storage. Rumor has it Canon has taken heat management seriously this time. Unlike some past models, the R9 may include enhanced thermal regulation and internal design tweaks to avoid overheating during 8K or extended 4K shoots. You can also expect support for high-speed UHS-2 SD cards, and possibly dual card slots, which will be essential considering the large file sizes from high-resolution stills and 8K video. Still, this pushes users toward investing in faster memory and large-capacity SSDs, a necessary trade-off if you want performance at this level. Price and positioning, is it worth $2,500? One of the more controversial aspects of the Canon EOS R9 is its rumored price tag of around $2,500. That's a tough sell for an APS-C camera, especially when full-frame options like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II offer excellent performance and more mature lens ecosystems for similar prices. So who is the R9 for? Likely professionals who need high burst speeds, advanced autofocus, and 8K video, but prefer the crop sensor benefits, such as extra reach and smaller body design. It sits in a niche that Canon is betting will grow, but the price may alienate casual shooters and hobbyists who simply won't need or use its full power. RFS lens ecosystem. Still catching up. This is where things get tricky. Canon's RFS lens lineup for APS-C is still relatively sparse. While you can mount full-frame RF lenses on the R9, that increases the size, weight, and cost of your setup, effectively defeating the compact APS-C advantage. Professionals need fast primes, ultra-wide zooms, and telephoto options tailored for APS-C bodies. Until Canon aggressively expands its RFS offerings, the R9 might feel like a powerful body without the right glass to match. Third-party lens manufacturers could help fill this gap, but Canon's tight control over RF licensing may limit what's available. 32.5 MP, a blessing or a burden? Yes, 32.5 megapixels is impressive, but not without trade-offs. For one, larger files mean slower post-processing, heavier demands on your computer, and quicker depletion of storage. Battery drain also becomes a concern when pushing high-resolution data through long sessions. Unless you're printing large or frequently cropping in post, you may not need that many pixels. And keep in mind, with such high resolution, any camera shake or lens softness becomes more obvious. You'll need sharp lenses, solid stabilization, or tripods to get the most out of each frame. Final thoughts. Canon EOS R9, future-proof or flawed? The Canon EOS R9 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting APS-C cameras in recent memory. If the rumors are accurate, Canon is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a crop sensor body, turning it into a pro-grade multimedia powerhouse. From 8K video to blistering burst rates, intelligent AI tracking to pro-level autofocus, the R9 might be Canon's most versatile non-full-frame camera to date, but it's not perfect. The $2,500 price, limited lens support, and high-res workflow demands will be deal-breakers for many. The success of the EOS R9 will likely depend on whether Canon backs it with a robust RFS lens roadmap and firmware updates to optimize performance.